Hello and welcome to Martin's Nature Special Arts and Crafts video. Today we're going to be making our NHS bunnies.
Hi everybody, I hope you're staying safe. Martin's got a really good craft video for you today and he's also got some really nice nature pictures. See you soon.
Hello guys and welcome to another People in Actions Arts and Crafts session with Martin at home. So today you're going to need felt tips, some socks, a pair of scissors, an old magazine or newspaper, and some string. I'm just going to pop my gloves on. If you don't have any gloves, don't worry, just wash your hands before and after you finish your craft. Now let's take our pair of socks. You only need one. It's best if the sock is white because we are going to use our felt tip pens later on to colour it in. So first of all we're going to cut the top off and then push that aside for later. Then we're going to draw a little line and we're also going to cut that too. Now we've done that, we can cut two pieces of string and put them aside for later. Now it's time to take your magazine and rip out some pages. We're going to scrunch these up into little balls and put them inside the sock. Once we have our magazine pieces inside, we need to pat the base of the sock so that it sits up nicely when we're finished. Now take your first piece of string and tie it around the sock. And once that's done, we're going to stuff the head and add another piece of string to the top. And it should look something like this. Now if you fiddle about with the ears a little bit until you get your bunny shape, now we can start drawing our face on. This is where you can get really creative and draw whichever bunny expression you like. I think I'm happy with that. Now it's time to colour in your bunny. I decided to do an NHS bunny in honour of all the NHS staff.
Hello my loyal subjects, welcome to Queen Lisa's bonus craft round.
Oh. Now it's time for the bonus round. We're going to take that sock we moved aside earlier and we're going to turn it in a little bit at the end so that there's no fraying edges. Once we've done that, we can place it down and get our felt tips. I decided to go with the NHS theme, so I wrote NHS on mine, but you can feel free to write whatever you like. During these uncertain times, it's important to stay fit and healthy. So when you finish this sweatband, you can wear this when you do your daily exercise. I decided to go for a very British colour, so I used blue and red. And this is the finished product. I think it looks pretty good, but please feel free to take your time and make yours look even better. During this lockdown, it's important to stay fit and healthy, both mentally and physically. So now I have a challenge for you. I would like you all to take some nature photos. Now you can do this from your back garden, from your window, or on your daily walk. But please remember to follow government guidelines. Here are some photos from Emily's beautiful garden. Here are some video clips and some photos from my daily walk. Some domestic ducks generally breed year-round, but some breeds have different breeding seasons which go from late winter through spring to early summer. During the mating season, the ducks generally show mating behaviour and lay eggs. During the breeding season, mating behaviour will include neck biting and pecking. During my walks, I notice both mating behaviour, breeding, and also the aftermath, which is of course ducklings. Thanks for watching this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the nature special. Please remember to stay safe and follow government guidelines. Please like this video, comment below and share with your friends.